No. Skip that. Skippity, skip, 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 yeah. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to the channel. These last 2 days I've been busy with installing lights and photographing a lot of stuff that needs to go on the internet. So I've been busy. My daughter is also here, so I took her to the forest. Hello. My daughter just found mushrooms that I haven't seen in like 15 years. And these are the ones. Now I have a photo of it on my phone and I will show you in detail how they look. So that's a fantastic find. Yes, thank you, daughter. The reason that I'm doing this is because I want to move to France and buy there a little property with a nice big garden and build some rolling ball sculptures and maybe throw in a tree house and a bed of breakfast. Also, I did some wood sawing because the wood sawing is a lot of work, and I found out that I needed new saw blades. Here I am sawing through all the wood and sorting it out. It's also sped up because it was a lot of work, and I wanted to make sure that I don't overdo it so that my energy level is still reasonably okay. So here I am sawing all this wood. I'm doing this because the winter is coming and this is free and I have a fireplace. Here's me taking all those pictures. It's sped up because it took me a long time to do it. And I wanted to be sure that the photos were acceptable for marketplace, so I can sell all those items. Now this is just 1/5 of the total amount. I have a lot of other stuff that I need to sell, so I have to get busy at this moment. It took me a while to get the pictures exactly right because everybody has some questions about them and I don't want to hassle with all the messages and questions about every kind of detail, so I took photos of it just for the detail part and all the descriptors that are on the items. After that, I took my daughter to the woods and we went mushroom hunting. So here's the video of that. I have found a white one. It's, I don't know what species it is yet, but it's this one. They're beautiful, they're popping up everywhere, and we're about to find some other species, I hope. Oh, they have grown. Here, look at this. Wow, check that out. No. These are some nice mushrooms. Now these are really, really nice and small. I can mee you filmen. Oh, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. And over there.
Maar we hebben gewoon geld verspild voor die rookbox.
Ja.
Nee, we hebben gewoon iets groots gedaan. Iedereen heeft rookbox.
Ja, en jij niet?